Dear software professional, how to turn your IT skills into a thriving AI powered digital marketing agency. Hello, my dear IT professional. From one IT professional who became an entrepreneur to someone who is quietly thinking about it. You have spent years mastering systems. You think in logic, you understand structure, you solve complex problems every day, but somewhere inside, there is a voice saying, I don't want to do this forever, right? Hi, I'm Manjunath. Few years ago, I quit my senior developer role during uncertain times and started my own digital marketing agency. It wasn't easy in the beginning. There were doubts, there were slow months, there were lessons. Today, I have worked with over 600 plus digital coaches. I built a team of 30 plus people and run my company from the comfort of my home. Not because I learned 100 tools, but because I understood systems, positioning, and leverage. And now, what is AI's role? AI has made scaling even faster if you know how to use it correctly. Here is what most IT professionals get wrong. They try to become freelancers instead of becoming architects. They chase tools instead of building systems. They learn ads instead of learning client psychology and niche focus. You don't need to learn every AI tool in the market. You need a clear roadmap. If you are an IT professional seeking step by step guidance on how to start your own digital marketing agency, leveraging AI intelligently, attend my workshop. Let me guide you practically, calmly, and realistically on how to convert your IT mindset into a stable AI powered agency business. There's not hype, there's a structured transition. If I can do it, so you can. If you are serious about becoming a founder, I'll see you inside. Thank you.